Good morning. Today we're talking about types of lines. So we're going to talk about 3 types of lines. Parallel lines, and here's how you remember parallel. So let me write the word. So they're lines that never intersect. So that means they never touch. So the way you remember parallel, it has 2 L's in it. Look at the L's, right? They never touch. Next one, intersecting. So when these when these lines meet, they usually make an X, okay? They are intersecting. And then the last one is perpendicular. So what does perpendicular mean? It means that it meets at a right angle. All right, so here's a right angle. It meets at a square, right? A right angle. So let's do some examples. So let's look here. These 2 lines are what? Are they touching? No. They are parallel. Remember, use the L's in parallel to help you. What about this street? What kind of angle does it make when they meet? A right angle. So these are perpendicular. And the last street, it kind of makes an X, right? Those lines are touching. They're intersecting, and they don't make a right angle. So that's why they are intersecting. What about ones like this you'll see today? So look here. These are easy, right? This is parallel. They're not touching. But what about this? You could tell me they're not touching, right? But remember, this arrow means that that line's going on forever. So if I keep the line going, what happens? They touch. And what does it look like when they touch? Does it look like a right angle, or are they just intersecting? They are intersecting. And the last one, same thing. You could say, Mr. Connolly, these lines are not touching. But if they kept going on, it would be. What kind of angle does this make? It's a right angle. So this is perpendicular. So listen, we've introduced 3 new words today, right? So here they are. Parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines. The only way you're going to get better at this is when you practice, all right? So you're going to practice this a lot of times throughout the week.